can't just let ourselves be pulled into that planet. We've got to try going backwards. Full reverse. We need all the power we can get.
Yes, sir!
Quick, get down! It's no use, Manabu. Why resist? This is the way it was meant to be. What are you talking about? Who knows how this'll end? We might not make it out of here, but we've gotta try! We've gotta fight, Saboru! You can't just give up on life! What about your dream?
Headquarters, do you read me? This is a 777! We are under attack! Please send help!
Don't you see? Fate drew us both here. It doesn't matter what we try to do, Manabu. We can't change our destiny. Why can't you just accept that? If I accept it, then I'm dead. I want to live, don't you?
Sir, it's useless! I can't get through!
Saboru, calm down! Hey, conductor, take him to the front car.
Yes, sir. Please, sir, this way. Good shot, sir.
Saboru, get out of here, now! Manabu. Go, now, do it!
Please, sir, hurry!
But...
Manabu, why can't I sense your spirit? Where are you?
Commander, our radar has picked up a train 6,000 meters from the Tobito system.
Identify it immediately.
Identity confirmed. It is the 777, sir.
The main engine and 3 of the front cars have been accounted for, Commander.
Rescue any survivors. Find the front end of that train.
Urgent news from headquarters. They found it. The 777 is adrift 6,000 megameters from the Tobito system. Spica platoon is just now arriving at the accident scene, Captain. Sir, they're beginning rescue operations as we speak.
This is Spica Platoon reporting. The rescue operation is 80% complete. However, the conductor and some of the passengers are unaccounted for. An SDF member who boarded at Tobito is among the missing passengers.
Manabu.
That idiot.
Look sharp, platoon. This mission is far from over. We've got to locate the engine and the missing passenger cars. We'll continue to sweep the area until we find them.
Yes, sir. This is the 777 Express! Headquarters, please come in!
Sorry, you leave me no choice.
Oh no! I hope he's not hurt! Sir! Thank goodness you're alright! I thought you were dead! Oh, you've been hit!
I'm okay. Saboru, what's the matter? Are you alright? No, of course I'm not alright! I'm about to be butchered by aliens! How can I be? There's nothing we can do. They're gonna kill us. It's our destiny, Manabu. You don't know that. Maybe we're supposed to survive. Go ahead and do it, Manabu, hit me! Maybe I should. It might wake you up from this coma you've gotten yourself into.
Sir, the door! It's melting! Ah!
Look out! The power's cut off. What's going on?
Over there, sir! They've hit the main power line!
We've got to fix it.
Ah!
We've got to connect these. Not with your bare hands. Manabu, why do you try so hard to do the impossible? Why can't you just accept that this was all meant to be? Remember when those bullies surrounded us on Tobito? We didn't just accept that we were going to get beat up, that it was our destiny. We fought back and we won. Mamoru never gave up. He gave it everything he had. He challenged his fate to the very end. What? Mamoru's dead? Yeah, Mamoru's dead, but you're still alive, Saburo. You have everything to live for. You can't give up. What about your dream of becoming a great painter? Don't just throw that away. It's your life. You've got to fight for it. We'll do it together. We'll fight side by side, just like in the old days. All right, Manabu. Lead on. Manabu, cover me! Conductor, are you all right?
No, the vital circuits damaged. Here, sir. This is yours. Please don't let them take it from you.
I won't, I promise. I won't let them take my dream!
Saburo, no! What are you doing? Saburo, why did you... Saburo! Saburo!